Welcome back to mahasarkar.co.in. In today's video, we are going to learn about free vibrations and forced vibration. In oscillatory motion, when object is performing to and fro motion again and again, like simple pendulum, we have learned in previous lesson. Now, when we consider the case of simple pendulum, then simple pendulum performs free vibration. Why? So, we shall have very short discussion and very important part, free vibrations and forced vibrations. We shall distinguish them in very simple pattern. Okay, suppose simple pendulum is oscillating about its mean position. So it goes from mean position to extreme position at point A to the another extreme position at point B. So it is performing the path to and fro continuously about the same point, that is point of suspension. Now, when the bob of pendulum reaches here, the air particle tries to oppose that bob. Okay, so some part of kinetic energy of that oscillation of that simple pendulum is absorbed by whom? That air particle. So air particle get oscillated, but energy of that pendulum goes on decreasing. So it goes to the mean position, goes to the point B, but for next oscillation it may not reach to point A. It may come to up to this point and will oscillate up to there. Again for next oscillation it will come to here and will here. In very simple order, its amplitude of vibration will goes on what? Decreasing. In that case, the vibrations of the pendulum are free vibrations. The vibrations of pendulum are what? Free vibrations. So vibrations with natural frequencies are called as what? Free vibration. Here in the free vibration, the air resistance decreases, helpful to decrease is the amplitude of vibration, and after some instant the amplitude is going to be zero. Amplitude of vibration is going to be what? Zero. This type of vibrations are called as what? Free vibrations. Okay. There are several examples of free vibration that you can consider in day by day routine. So when we discuss the free vibration, we have to discuss these three important parameters. Air resistance is the important factor behind decreasing the amplitude of vibration, is called as what? Free vibration. Okay. Now if you discuss the forced vibration, so what is there in the forced vibration? Suppose two pendulums are suspended using the same thread from two different points of suspension. One from here, other from here. Okay, these are two pendulums, pendulum A and pendulum B. What is going to happen here? Pendulum A is oscillating. Actually, I had provided oscillation to pendulum A. Now, the tension acting on the string on the pendulum A will be transmitted in some part to the pendulum B also, and slowly you will find that pendulum B is also oscillated. Here actually I have not given any oscillation to pendulum B. Pendulum B was oscillating because of the external force given by whom? Pendulum A. There are several examples which we can consider. Suppose person is drilling the hole into the wall and you are standing beside. If object is kept on the table, that also start vibrating, because when hole is drilled into the wall particles are vibrating. If the table is directly connected to the floor or wall, then it also exerts some vibration on that. So basically the vibrations acting there on that object on the table is what? Forced vibration. If suppose you are standing on the bridge, a heavy vehicle pass over the bridge. You are standing beside the bridge and heavy vehicle pass over the bridge. When bridge is vibrating, object on the bridge is also vibrated. Practically you are not performing any vibration. You are vibrating because the external force acting on the bridge is let you down the vibrator. In that case you are performing what? Forced vibration. Okay, these are basic assumptions for free and forced vibration. This is the short video for us, but it's very important. Remember, here we are vibrating because of external frequency. We are vibrating what? With external frequency. Here the frequency of vibrating object depends upon frequency of external substance or object. It depends upon what? Frequency of what? External substance or object. Okay. So its amplitude can be or cannot be zero after some instant. There are some examples of forced vibration, like I said, while drilling machine vibrates the another object. Vehicles on bridge making vibrations is another example. When doctor puts stethoscope on your chest is already vibrated, and because of that some air particle, in fact the stethoscope also vibrates, and that vibration read by the doctor. Sorry. These are all examples of what? Forced vibration. I hope you understood this short video. Thanks for watching mahasarkar.co.in. Have a nice day.